Hi, my name is John Johnson. I am a trustee on the Lake Forest Library Board, commonly known around town as JJ. My colleague, Brian Bertola, who chairs our Lake Forest Library Board Building Committee, is going to give you a status update.
So the current status of the dome is that it's complete, and we couldn't be happier to bring this back to life. It's one of the many iconic architectural features of Lake Forest. You may have noticed in the last 6 months that the project was underway with scaffolding and work going on at the library, but this project really started approximately 2 years ago, working hand in hand with the city, with the community, with library staff and the Board of Trustees to try to bring this iconic architectural feature of Lake Forest back to its glory. Over the last few years, the dome had been under a tarp, and that was because it was experiencing water leakage. One of the interesting features of the dome project is that we work closely with our team members to help manage the water coming off the dome. And so we added a secondary gutter system up at the top curvature of the dome that helped to alleviate pressure of water coming down the face of the limestone. In addition to the secondary gutter system, exterior masonry tuck pointing and limestone cleaning was done to restore these masonry features. And on the inside of the dome, additional brick repair was done and insulation added to the underside of the dome. Finally, at the top of the dome, glass skylight panes were replaced. In addition, interior cleaning was done to the inside lay light over the rotunda to allow light to better transmit into that space. To replace the lead-coated copper that was originally on the structure, we used a product that's more environmentally friendly and readily available today that will help reduce staining of the limestone, called Freedom Gray. Underneath the Freedom Gray, an additional waterproofing membrane was applied to ensure longevity.
This beloved library building was designed by Edwin Clark, a famous architect, and construction was completed in 1931. In 1984, we had to fully restore the dome, and we continued to use the original material, lead-coated copper. This time we finished, as Brian has told you, the dome. It's zinc-coated copper, and we're hoping it's going to last another 50 years. We're glad the project is done. We're thankful to the community for supporting us during the construction, and we're delighted to be able to say, come to the library and learn something new.